So, you've got your Beam wallet set up, and now it's time to add some funds. This is a straightforward process, and I'll walk you through the 3 easiest ways to do it, right from your phone. First, the most common way is through a bank transfer. Tap on Bank Transfer, and you'll see a unique account number and bank name pop up. This account is linked directly to your Beam wallet. You can copy these details and go to your bank's app or website to make a transfer. Just treat it like a regular transfer to a friend. Make sure you use the exact account number and name provided. Once the transfer is complete, the funds will reflect in your Beam wallet almost instantly. Next up, funding with a debit or credit card. This is super quick if you're in a hurry. Just select the card option, enter your card details, the long number on the front, the expiration date, and the CVV on the back. Then, type in the amount you want to add. Your bank might send you a one-time password to confirm the transaction. Enter that, and boom, your wallet is funded. Finally, you can receive funds from another Beam wallet user. If a friend or family member also uses Beam, they can send you money directly. All you need to do is share your Beam tag or phone number with them. They'll find you in their contacts, enter the amount, and send it over. The transfer is instant, and there are usually no fees for this type of transaction. It's great for splitting bills or sending money to a friend. So, there you have it, bank transfer, card payment, and wallet transfer. 3 simple ways to keep your Beam wallet loaded and ready to go. The app is designed to make this as seamless as possible, and you can always check your transaction history to confirm that the funds have landed. Happy spending!